Here the question says take the values of pi as 3 whole 1 by 7. That means the value of pi is given where necessary and we are using pi in this equation. Okay. Now number A. If m equal to a plus b by 3, find a when m equal to 12, b equal to 30. So m equal to, what is the value of a? A, we need to find it out. The value of m is 12. So instead of m, we will put 12. And instead of b, we will put 30 by 3. Now do the cross multiplication. 12 3s are 36 equal to a plus 30. Then we can say a will be 36 minus 30. That means 6. And number b, u equal to pi into r plus h. Pi into r plus h. So the value of pi is 3 7 21 plus 1 22 by 7. And the value of u is 33 by 2. So we'll substitute the value of u and pi on this equation. U equal to 33 by 2 equal to the value of pi is 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into what is the value of r? R is given plus h is 2. Now do the cross multiplication. So 33 into 7 divided by 2 multiplied by 22 equal to r plus 2. After cancelling 33 and 22 by 11, we'll get 3 by 2. Then we'll get 21 by 4 equal to r plus 2, or r equal to 21 by 4 minus 2. Then we'll get 21 minus 8 or 13 by 4. Or finally, we can write 3 whole 1 by 4.